Hello friends. So today we are going to see how these line numbers and the comments can be formatted in Visual Studio 2022. The version that we are using is version 17.10.0 preview 2.0. This is the latest version of Visual Studio Community Edition that I have downloaded. So to change the formatting of the line numbers and the comments, you need to go to the tools, then options, and then if you see in the environment section, we have these fonts and colors options here. If you select the fonts and colors section or option here, in the right hand side you will get all these settings, right? So there are different items that we have, for example plain text, selected text, and then line numbers that we have. So today we will be focusing on the line number. Now I want to change the foreground of the line number, let's say for example to lime, right? And then if I set the foreground of the line number to lime, and if I click OK, if you can see that the line number color has been changed to lime now. Similarly, I want to make these comments to italic, right? So again I need to go to the tools, options, and then fonts and colors, search for comments here. Here now, right, if there are multiple options that we have here. For example, if I select or check the italic checkbox, and if I click OK, you can see that the the comment has been changed to italic now. That's it for today. Thank you.